Day one of my fitness journey. We are going to get fit together, guys. I can't wait to get my six-pack abs. Yes, they're just waiting for me. It is Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another video. Today we are doing another what I ate in a day, but it's going to be special because today is day one of my fitness challenge. I'm going to be challenging myself to basically train and eat and live and breathe like a bodybuilder for a month. Well, not like super jacked bodybuilder. Like I'm talking just, like a, just a female that looks really good. I don't know. So I'm going to be upping my fitness, game, hopefully. And today is my first day. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna eat today. I'm gonna be doing like a full video on this whole fitness thing and posting that later on. But today I just thought I would show you guys like what I'm eating and how I'm gonna be eating and all of that stuff. By the way, guys, if you guys were not aware, I am working on an Asian vegan, I should call it Asian recipes. Anyways, Asian vegan recipes ebook that will be coming out very, very soon. But if you guys want some updates on that and also some other goodies into your inbox, I'll leave a link down below where you can sign up for updates for the Asian vegan recipes ebook. And it's gonna be good, guys. I'm really excited for you guys to see it. So yeah. There we go. One of the things that I'm going to be doing on this fitness journey is intermittent fasting. So if you guys didn't know anything about intermittent fasting, it's basically where you eat for a certain number of hours in a day and then you fast for a certain number of hours in a day as well. So it's pretty much what we do already. It's just shortening that time frame of when you eat so that you fast for a slightly longer period of time than what you normally would do. So I'm going to be following the 16-8 intermittent fasting. So 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating. Which is what I've done before, and I think it's totally doable, so I'm gonna be trying to do that. So right now, for example, it is 11:30. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I think that was mainly because I actually woke up a bit later, so it's actually easier for me today, but we'll see how easy it is on the other days when I wake up a lot earlier. So yes, it is 11:30. I'm gonna prepare my first meal. Yes. Another thing that I'm going to be changing up is eating a slightly higher protein diet and slightly lower carbs. So what I'm going to be doing is 50% of my calories from carbohydrates, 30% from protein, and 20% from fat. I've eaten a higher protein diet before and it works really, really well for me. So I'm pretty excited to do this. I'm not going to be severely restricting my calories. I think the lowest caloric number I'm going to go to is like 1800, probably going to be more than that. Yeah, I still want to eat sufficiently so that I gain muscle. Okay? Okay, I'm excited. What am I gonna eat for breakfast? I have no idea. First, I'm gonna be making a smoothie. Let's use 1 cup of cashew milk. Maybe I should just use 2 cups. 2 cups of cashew milk. I'm gonna use approximately 1 banana. Frozen. And then 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder. I might need a couple of ice cubes. So this one is a vegan protein powder. This one's pretty tasty. And also gonna add in some ground flax seeds. Just add in 1 tablespoon. That's actually really good. So there is part 1 of breakfast. I know this is not gonna be enough, so I'm gonna make myself some scrambled tofu. So I'm probably gonna eat this entire block of tofu today, but I'm gonna start with 170 grams of this, which is about apparently 2/5 of a package. Let's see here. Oh, that's good enough. 160. I have some mushrooms that I chopped up yesterday, so I'm just gonna add that in here. Probably about a cup of white mushrooms. I also have some green onions mixture there, so let's just use all of that up. So I'm not using any oil. I'm just gonna put a little splash of water. Add in our tofu. And I also have this vegan bacon that I need to use up. And this is actually pretty good. And it's a much healthier version of bacon. So I'm going to add in 3 pieces of this vegan bacon. And if you guys have been following me, you know that I keep a jar of scrambled tofu seasoning, which is basically like a mixture of different spices, so that anytime I make scrambled tofu, I can just throw it into the tofu without having to take out a million spices. So in here, there's like multiple things like cumin, there's garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of nutritional yeast. There is turmeric, I think that's it. But you can make your own seasoning mixture, keep it in a jar, and it just makes your life a lot easier. So we're just gonna mix that. I'm probably gonna add a little bit more nutritional yeast. Let's turn these bad boys around. Just use my fingers, that's smart. I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon more nutritional yeast. So because I didn't use oil, it is sticking a little bit, but that's okay. Oh, doesn't that look good? Of course, you've got to have ketchup. Oh my god, that looks so good. I'm so excited. Oh, let's add in some carrots. Carrots are going bad. Here's some carrots. Look how beautiful that looks. So that's part 2 of my breakfast. So as you can see here, guys, my breakfast was 575 calories. I'm going to dig in. I'm hungry. Done! That was so good. So that meal was like relatively low carb, but it was actually really enjoyable, and I could eat that every single morning. It was so good. Whoa! That was so delicious. I'm full, I'm satisfied. Yay! Breakfast is done. Before I forget, I'm gonna be taking my supplements. I have my B12 spray, my D3 spray, vitamin D3, and then I have my DHA, and I also have this collagen builder. This is a vegan friendly collagen booster, I believe. So I'm gonna be taking those. Cheers. All right, guys, I'm gonna drink some water. I'm gonna try to drink a gallon today, about 4 liters of water, and I'm gonna do some work, and I'll see you at lunch. All right, here's my lunch. I'm having bibimbap, brown rice, lentils. It is now 5:45. I just got back from working out, and then I ate at my cafe. You saw my lunch. I actually ate lunch at about like 3:30-ish, and I was actually not even that hungry when I had lunch, which is weird. Probably because I had like a higher protein breakfast, I don't know. But yeah, I wasn't super hungry, so I had a bit of a smaller lunch than I normally would, but I am getting a little bit peckish now. I don't know if I should like eat my actual dinner now, or if I should just have like a little snack and then have dinner, since I only have basically, I have until 7:30, okay, to eat dinner. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a snack. Let's see what I have. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna have 2 rice cakes with some peanut butter. About 1 tablespoon of peanut butter total. Or do I want to do 1.5? 1.5. Ooh, that's a lot. Jam! Blueberry jam. Approximately 1 tablespoon of blueberry jam. Yummy. And some blackberries. There's my snack. So good. Alright guys, it's now 6:25 and I need to prepare dinner. So we're gonna make some more tofu. Let's make some dinner. So we're gonna eat the rest of that tofu. So we're adding just a teaspoon of oil. Wrap that around. season this, I'm just going to use some smoked paprika. Just a little bit of smoked paprika. Ooh. Let's also add some garlic powder. Let's do about a tablespoon of coconut aminos. This is kind of like a sweeter soy sauce alternative. I'm just gonna put that on top. You can of course just use soy sauce if you want. I just felt like using coconut aminos today. Should have waited a bit longer before doing that. 100 grams of cooked brown rice. And then we've got some leftover salad from yesterday, so it's just greens, a little bit of baby carrots, tomatoes. I'm not even gonna count the calories for the salad except for the olives. And then I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of this zesty Italian dressing. Here we go. Oh my god, guys, and I totally forgot I have this leftover baked beans left. This was just leftover. I have to finish it. It's about half a cup of Heinz maple syrup baked beans. There you go. Holy, that's a huge dinner. That looks good. So we've got two different kinds of beans. We've got baked beans and maple syrup. We've got edamame beans. We've got tofu. We got some brown rice, super high protein, and then we got some salad. Wow. I feel like this is a lot of food. I'm gonna have this with some bubbly once again. I'm gonna eat this slowly and intentionally. Yum. All right, I'm ready to dig in, my friends. So my dinner was 723 calories. I inputted pretty much everything other than the veggies. Tofu, rice, beans, blah, blah, blah. So my total calories of the day, 1,904 calories. Let's look at my macros. So it's not as perfect as I wanted it. Much higher in fat. I was originally going to try to do only 20% fat, but it came to 33%. And then my carbs came to a little bit less than I had anticipated. And then my protein, slightly less. So I was originally trying to go for 130 grams of protein. I got to 124, which is still good. It's never gonna be perfect. I feel like, you know, I can just try what I can. And I'm pretty happy with my my macros. All right, guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed eating with me all day. So I finished my meal at probably around 7 o'clock. It is now 7:23. So I basically did a 7.5 hour feeding window, and now I'm going to be fasting for the next 16 hours. Oh my God. Wish me luck, guys. Oh my. Overall, I feel full. I feel very, very satisfied. I'm actually very, very contently full. I don't feel like lethargic or tired. I just feel like really full, but in like a nice way. Make sure you stay tuned to see how my fitness journey works out. It's gonna be a fun month. I'm gonna do a lot of videos related to this. So if you guys are interested in that, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Of course, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys are interested in my Asian vegan recipes ebook that will be coming out shortly, don't forget to sign up for updates. The link is down below to sign up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.